In this video, we will be learning top 20 open source threat intelligence feed. VxVolt. It is repository of IP, URL and MD5 hashes. Malware Bazaar. Malware Bazaar is a project from AbuseCH with the goal of sharing malware sample with Infosys community, AV vendors and threat intelligence feeds provided. Blocklist.de. It is a free and voluntary services provided by fraud/abuse specialists whose server has often attacked via SSH, mail login, FTP and web servers. BotWizz. It is a freely available network IOCs. Binary Defense Banned List. Binary Defense System authorizes threat intel feeds and banned list. Wireshare. It is a repo of MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, SSDeep, file type, AV detection and a VT report. PrecisionSec. PrecisionSec provide threat intelligence feed tracking high-profile malware and ransomware family including Emonet and TrickBot. PhishyTank. PhishyTank is a collaborative clearinghouse of data and information about phishing on internet. However, PhishyTank provides an open API for developers and researchers to integrate anti-phishing data into the application at no change. URL Hush. URL Hush is a project operated by AbuseCH with the purpose of sharing malicious URL that has been used for malware distribution. POP3 Gophers. It is a huge collection of IPs. OpenPhish. It's a list of phishing URL and list of targeted brands. PwnWDBL. It is a list of brute force blocker, malware domain list, emerging threat tools, SSL abuse list, and IPs and many more. Nothing. It is a multiple honeypot data. Malware domain list is a list of malicious domains. Malshare. The Malshare project is a collaborative effort that created by community driven by public malware repository that work to build additional tools to benefit the security community at large. GreenSnow. It's harvested a large amount of malicious IPs from different computer locations all around the world. FredoTracker. FredoTracker is a project by AbuseCH with the goal of sharing botnet and CNC server associated with the Fredo malware family. It often varies block list, helping network owners to project their users to discuss and emotes. Cybercrime Tracker. It is a huge repo of malicious URL, IP and their types. OTX Alienware. The Alienware open source threat exchange is the world's most authorized open source threat information sharing and analyzing network. OTX provides access to the global community of threat researcher and security professionals. CoinBlocker ListWeb are a project to prevent illegal mining in browser or other application using IP list and URL list.